If you can dream it, you can do it. Hello friends, welcome to our channel Freshers Now, India's #1 employment portal. This is Srikanth Pochiraju. We all know that every state will have State Public Commission. Recently, Uttarakhand also announced UKPSC lecturer jobs notification 2020. Let's dive deep into the notification details and know the details of this notification. Let's go to Google and search for UKPSC lecturer jobs 2020 Freshers Now. Open the first website, UKPSC lecturer 2020 jobs. Okay, let's go down, let's scroll down and see the full details of this notification. Okay, so if you see here, UKPSC lecturer jobs 2020, organization name is Uttarakhand Public Service Commission and the post name for this is lecturer. So the total vacancies for this post is 571. Okay, the starting date to apply for this job is 12th October 2020 and the last date, the closing date to apply for this job is 30th December 2020. The application mode is as usually in online. The selection process, it may be written test or interview. The job location for this post is Uttarakhand, and if you want to know the full details of this notification, go to the official website ukpsc.gov.in. The vacancies for this post is, the first one is general branch and here we have 544 vacancies, and the second one is women's branch, here we have 27 vacancies. So totally we have 571 vacancies for this post. Okay, what would be this education qualification to apply for this post? Okay, the first one is spokesperson sociology, geography, economics, history, physics, chemistry, mathematics, psychology and English. The education qualification should be master's degree or LT diploma or bachelor of education degree. Okay, the next thing is spokesperson civil science and the qualification for this post is post-graduation degree in political science or LT diploma or bachelor degree in pedagogy. So the spokesperson biology for this post, the education qualification should be post-graduation degree in botany or zoology or LT diploma or bachelor degree in pedagogy. So the next one is spokesperson Hindi. Here the education qualification for this post is post-graduation degree in Hindi or bachelor of Sanskrit Shastri degree or LT diploma or bachelor degree in education. The next one is spokesperson Sanskrit. For this post, the education qualification should be postgraduate degree in Sanskrit or Acharya literature or Acharya grammar, Acharya. Okay. The spokesperson for art is postgraduate degree in drawing and painting or bachelor of education degree. The age limit for this post, the minimum age is from 21 to 42. The people who are between 21 and 42 can apply for this post. Let's see the salary details for this post. For Uttarakhand PSC lecturer, 47,600 rupees to 1,51,100 rupees for level 6. The next thing is application fee. So it also divided, the application fee is also divided as category wise. So first thing is general, EWS or OBC, the application fee is 176 rupees and for SC, ST it is 86 rupees, for PWD it's 26 rupees and for orphans it is free. Okay, there is no fee for this orphans to apply for this job. So if you have any doubts regarding this, just drop us a comment, we will definitely get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get the notifications when we upload a new video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.